Hi Davis crew. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my surprise from Fab Kids.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Okay, Davis Cruz, you're gonna go ahead and open it right now. I already took Mark. I already took off my address, so it's good. Fab Kids is a website that sell a lot of great items for kids, like shoes, clothes, all in affordable price. So you guys can go ahead and check it out too. So she don't know what it is. I surprised her and just picked a bunch of like some styles that I think she would like. So she's just gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys.
Thank you so much, Mommy.
I'm glad you like it.
So much.
Okay, so she's gonna try them on, you guys. Okay, go ahead. Oh yeah, you can take them all out and then try them on together.
Are these free shoes?
Mm-mm. Alright, so she's gonna open the other sneakers and then she's gonna try them on first.
So, these are checkers. I'm gonna guess. These are checkers.
Show the camera. Show Davis crew. See, that's what they look like. Turn them to the side. Okay, see, that's how they look. She likes those. All right, so go ahead and open up the other sneakers.
I thought there was something in there.
Okay.
I know what it is.
Open it to see what it is. Do you like that color?
Yes.
You like the other color better?
Black.
Oh, you love that?
Black,
Okay,
white,
good.
Orange, yellow.
Yeah, I know. She likes all the colors. All right, so you can go ahead and try them on. Try everything on. First, do the sneakers.
Let me try these shoes on. Then try this one first, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to.
Okay. Okay, see, that's how they look. How they feel. Let me see.
It doesn't wear it at all.
Okay. They're not bad. Okay, our toes is up here. Okay.
I mean, no, you could be flip flops as well. No, you could be these.
No. All right, so go ahead and put the other one so Davis crew can see how they look together. Yeah, you have to untie it, silly goose. All right, so she's going to go, or no, maybe not. Maybe you could just pull it up. Her feet grow every day, y'all. Like literally. No, not literally. But yeah, so they look nice. They fit good. And the good thing is they're still going to fit next year because they're a little tiny big, so they're going to fit perfect next year. They didn't have like, yeah, but it's good. All right, see, that's how they look. That's how they look right there. Cute, cute, cute. All right, she's going to go ahead and try the other color on. Try the other color. And let's see. So, yeah, so these are off-brand. Like, when I say off-brand, I mean they're not Nikes or Adidas. So, I bought them a little big. I bought them in a 4. So, she would have been like a 3.5, but they didn't have half sizes. So, I bought 4. But the good thing is it's going to fit her perfect like next year. And she could still wear them now. So, that's perfect. And I think what I did, I bought them different. Like I got this one in a 3 and that one in a 4 because these are off-brand. So they don't run through the size.
I hope you
So
see it.
Let's see. Now she's gonna try on the size 3 in this one, and that one was a 4. So I try to mix them up because they didn't have the 3.5. All right. So let's see. Be careful. I like those. And they not, I like color like this because, you know, her being 7, you know, she dirty up her sneakers and stuff. But this is a perfect color if you guys want to get your little girl, like, stuff color like this. See, those are cute.
I go to the park.
Okay. Okay, and fix the tongue up and everything. All right, so she's going to go ahead and finish putting the other one, and we're going to see. All right, so that's how they look. Cute, cute, cute.
Style.
Okay, let me feel them.
Style real quick.
See how they're funny? Now this is the 3, and her toes is already here. You see where my finger is? So that this is a perfect fit, but like 3.5 would be good. So this is a 3, and that's the 4, which is a little big, but the 3 fits good. Okay, so she like the 3.5 and off-brand. That's like, you know, because they're not true to size.
Style real quick.
So, do you want to try your sandals on?
Yes. Style.
Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So now she's going to be trying on the sandals. Oh, my goodness. I told y'all. She have giant feet, y'all. She have giant feet. Her feet is literally growing like every month. I'm not even kidding. But in brand sneakers like Adidas, Nikes, Vans, stuff like that, then she's like a 2. So it's weird. And off-brand, she's like a 3 because they run small. So, yeah. Huh? All right, put them on and zip up the back up. Do you need help zipping the back? I think you got it. Okay, and zip the other back. See, perfect fit. She gonna be wearing these this summer, and they're cute. They're dressy. You could dress them. You could dress them up. You could dress them down. So see, they're really cute. That's the side view. Okay, see, and they fit her good. And these are a size 4, and you see her toes all the way there. Her size is different when it's off-brand stuff. So, yeah, you guys, head on over to Fab Kids. Get your kids some nice stuff for the summer. Okay.
Okay, bye, guys. Bye. One more thing. So, yeah, I have TikTok, and, like, and my name is... Okay, guys, so I have a TikTok, and it's Kamora_Valerie. It's spelled Kemora. You put like a line and then VALERIE. Okay, that's my TikTok. And like all the videos, comment and say it's your name. Okay, bye. Bye, Davis Crew. See you next time on another video. And make sure to like, share, and comment. As always, stay blessed, families. Bye.